This is a 2001 Craftsman LT1000 with the automatic transmission. Owner says the cutting deck's not working. I think I figured out why. Looks like we're going to have to put in a new idler pulley. I wonder where the bearings are. It's supposed to be an inseparable assembly. First thing we need to do is remove the cutting deck. Make sure the engine's off. Make sure your blade engagement cable is released. Pull the cutting deck all the way up into the top position. Reach up under the front of the mower and disconnect the blade drive belt. Then lower the deck all the way to the ground. Next step is to remove the 5 locking clips. There's one on each side in the front. Knock the bars out. There's another locking clip on each side towards the back. I'll have to pull those out off camera because I'm working alone. Then separate the pin. You may have to lift the cutting deck up. Again, I'll have to do this off camera. Okay, that's apart. Definitely a two-hand job. And there's one more here in the back. Then pull the cutting deck out to the right-hand side far enough to disconnect the blade engagement cable. Disconnect the blade engagement cable. Don't lose the washer. Then finish removing the cutting deck and take it to your workbench. Looks like the bearing is still on, but it's all destroyed. He may want to replace both idler pulleys. That'll be up to the owner. Now we got to buy some parts. Look for part 2 when we put this back together. Good luck all you DIYers. Clay out.